Look like we dress up together. So our next guest is taking her love for plants and adding a little bit of an artistic touch to her masterpieces, I'm told. So with me now is House of Creative founder Amanda James.
Creative House of Plants.
Creative House of Plants, etc.
Yes.
So,
yes.
Morning. Welcome.
Good morning.
Thank
you for having me.
Tell me about that. When that start and why that start and
well, Creative House of Plants, etc. started formally over a year now, or about a year now, formally. And why it started, well, I can tell you the truth. I am not one of those who can say that I woke up like this. Or when I was 3 months old, I knew I wanted to be.
Yeah. Or them talk to you.
A plant, creative
somebody
plant
talk
artist.
to you. Somebody whisper to you.
Nothing like that. How it really happened, to be honest, was I remember buying a plant once. Someone saw me with the plant, liked it, asked me if I could get one for them. The word spread and they're like, I heard that you have this plant. To cut a long story short, persons came to me, started just buying and selling, and then I said, why don't I make my own work?
Yeah.
And then here we are.
Yeah, but this looks really nice. So this looks like it would take some kind of expertise to do. So how you know what to do, how you do, how you know this.
And again, I will be honest.
I hope you're always honest. You look like sometimes you're not honest when you say, I am going to be honest.
No, because I'm just saying it won't be a typical response, not a typical TV response. I didn't go to school for this. I just put my hands to the dirt and it worked. And I really do believe it is God-given. Okay. I believe God gave me this gift and I'm seeing it manifest.
And this is
coming.
I know you have different kind of designs, but this is what it is. This is you come up with different ideas.
Different ideas.
But where the idea come from? I already know you tell me say you never go to school and things. So you just get up one morning and say,
God.
All right, I'm just going to put something in a pot.
God. Because there are moments I come to do an arrangement and there are times I just don't have any ideas. And I'm like, God, please help me. And ideas flow.
And we're looking at some on screen here.
Yes.
So those are yours also.
Yes.
Beautifully done.
Thank you.
How long would one of these? Let's look at this one here, guys. I can see this one right here. So tell me what this is and how long something like this would take you to do this particular one.
All right, this particular one probably would take me about 30 minutes.
Well,
maximum, extreme maximum.
So you know what you're going to do before you start, or you kind of just work?
Not all the time. Sometimes I just start putting plans together and concepts flow.
And then you say, yeah, I like how that look, and you might tweak it a little bit and stuff.
Yes.
What if
this one is like sea inspired?
Yeah.
If you realize starfish.
Yeah, man. What if I wanted something specific? You do that too? Or
yes.
So I could call you and say I want a little bamboo shoot somewhere. You could do something.
Right. So customers actually do call or WhatsApp and say, hi, would you be able to do an arrangement with a truck? Because as you saw in one of the images, a client came all the way from Mandeville with a truck and said, what can you do? And I made it happen. So we do personalized arrangements. So if you have a favorite color that you like, some elements you want to use, a concept, I'll help you along the way even to put it together. All right.
So, I buy it now. So how I care it and how long it lasts? Or
Okay, so the plant care tips vary. So as you realize, I have care cards here for this one, just to give an example and that.
So you kind of
for bamboos, for example, no chlorine water should be used, no pipe water at all. So it's either use rainwater or bottled water, or it will die because the chlorine is too harsh for it. So that's a key care tip for all the bamboo lovers.
So you kind of have little expertise in this thing earlier, go on. Can you know that? Kind of. And these you just brought to say these are tools that you can use to
tools we
care.
can use
You're not seeing it because of the plants. I went put
the plants together.
Yeah.
Especially terrariums and stuff like that.
Terrariums.
Yes.
Which one are terrarium, please?
Which terrariums are like bowls, both sealed and uncovered, that you actually can put plants in.
It's a dunce bag. And these will all be indoor plants? Or the
not all
can survive outside?
So these, for example, can be used as a desk plant at your office, at your home, centerpieces at events. However, we ask
one
that
here.
you, yes, this,
Yeah, I just want to put it up front so we can see what we're talking about. There you go.
right. So they can be used for different purposes, events,
Right.
centerpieces, but we ask that you give it sunlight exposure throughout the week.
Okay, where we can get all of this? So you have a physical space that you
We do
sell
not
from?
have a storefront. We exist in the social media space. So if you need an item, you can find us on
Right there,
Instagram,
that's it.
Facebook, using the handle at House of Plants ETC. You can send us an email, call us or WhatsApp us. And if you do, we can make an arrangement for you and meet you at a central point. If you have deliveries out of town, we can facilitate that. But of course, there would be more details
Why the
on that.
Etcetera?
We would have to arrange.
Why the Etcetera? It's
Why the
plants-
Etcetera?
It's plants plus.
2 reasons.
Yeah.
Etcetera is because we do not have a limit to our creativity. And also, there are more offerings in the pipeline to come. And we don't limit ourselves to the wide variety of accessories we have now.
Yeah.
There's more to come. The sky's the
I'm
limit.
very
Beyond the
impressed.
sky.
I love it. I love the different
Thank you.
things that you
Make
do.
sure you follow me.
I am very impressed. Well, I'm not on social media, so I have to follow you another way. Give me an idea of cost. You don't have to be specific, but where you start from and how far up you go.
Well, the price range is
What's the cheapest one here? Probably this little fella here. So give me an idea of that.
Price range is probably about like the 3,000 range, about 3,000 range, they're about.
Everything.
Right.
Everything is.
No, some of them are more than that. Some
Yeah.
range from probably 5, 6, 7,000 up, depending on the complexity of the arrangement
Yeah.
and the elements used.
If it is treated properly,
probably the
cared
cheapest.
properly, how long will it last? Forever?
Is it fair to say that nothing lasts forever? But with good care, they can last for years.
Right.
Years.
That's good enough.
Especially the bamboo.
That's good
They're
enough.
long livers.
That's good enough. I'm impressed. I like them. I like them. All right, put up the social media handle again where you can be found. I like that one, by the way.
Here's my business card.
Oh,
So you said you can.
No, I know how to follow you. There you go.
And this one is for TVJ actually.
This one here?
Yes. For your
For
on
for
set.
me or for TVJ?
TVJ on set. You and TVJ can sort that out.
No, me not start out.
But this is a gift
Thank
from
you.
Creative House of Plants,
Thank you very
etc.
much. Thank you. Then put it down there. It's not yours anymore.
I'm just showing you.
Thank you
Never.
very much. You trouble with the things. See me right there. That's the gift on TVJ. I hope somebody here can carry it. Choose you know and give me. All right, so Amanda James, host of
Creative House of Plants, etc.
Creative. I don't know why them keep saying it's a different thing that is here. What's your name? Creative House of Plants, etc. Good to see you.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, man. Coming up next, a taste of history. And Empress will have that soon come.